Hello students, in this class we will discuss about exercise 2.4 question number 2. Question: what number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? Here we don't know the number. The third part of the number exceeds fifth part of the number by 4 units. So let us assume the number be x. So third part of the number means 1/3 part of number equal to 1 by 3 into that number x by 3. 1/5 part of number will be x by 5. Here is given a condition, that is 1/3 part of the number exceeds fifth part by 4 units. Here 1/3 part 4 units more than 1/5 part. So x by 3 minus x by 5 equal to 4, because x by 3 is 4 units greater than x by 4. Here the LCM is 15. 3 cancels 5 times, 5 into x, 5x. 5 cancels 15, 3 times 3 into x, 3x equal to 4. So we can simplify this. 5x minus 3x, positive, negative. So 2x by 15 equal to 4. So 2x, here 15 divides. After moving this side, multiplies. 4 15s are 60. So x equal to 30. So the number is 30. Our resultant number is 30. Okay students, next question. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Here we don't know the value of the fraction, but the numerator of the fraction is 4 less than the denominator. That means denominator 4 units greater than numerator. So let assume denominator equal to x. What about numerator? Numerator is 4 units less than denominator. That means x minus 4. The fraction is numerator by denominator. So x minus 4 by x. This is the fraction. Here the condition 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. It becomes 1 by 2. So x minus 4 plus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. X minus 4 plus 1. Both are different signs. Subtraction. So x minus 3, because subtraction greater value having negative sign. So x plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Now we will do cross multiplication. The numerator multiply with denominator. This denominator multiply this numerator. So 2 into x minus 3 equal to 1 into x plus 1. 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. 1 into x, 1 into 1, 1. Here it is the positive integer. After moving this side, 2x minus x, this is negative integer. After 1 plus 6. 2x minus x, both are different signs. Subtraction, 2 minus 1, 1. So x equal to 7. What is x? x is denominator, so denominator equal to x equal to 7, numerator equal to x minus 4, that equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So fraction equal to numerator by denominator, so 3 by 7. This is the fraction. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? Okay, A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. What about 1 day's work? Here A plus B is 1 day work. Work is 1 by 12 because per day both can do 1/12 part of the whole work. Okay, and A can finish the same work in 20 days. That means A's 1 day work is 1 by 20. A can finish the work 20 days alone. A's 1 day work is 1 by 20 because per day he can finish 1/20th part. But here our task is in how many days B alone can finish it. So B alone can finish the work equal to A plus B's 1 day work minus A's 1 day work. So A plus B's 1 day work 1 by 12. A 1 day work 1 by 20. We already know what is the LCM. 12, 20, 60 is the LCM. 12 5 times, 5 into 1 are 5. 20 3 times, 3 into 1 are 3. So 2 by 60, that means 1 by 30. So 1 by 30 is the B's 1 day's work. B's 1 day's work is 1 by 30. So B can finish the whole work in 30 days.